It's been 8 months since I've cut the top of my hair, so I've been looking for a really good reason to get a trim, and today I've got just that. Meet AndrewDoesHair. So I drove about 2 hours out of LA to visit Andrew. He's a world-renowned hairstylist, and his depth of hair knowledge was crazy. Like, even though I've been talking about hair for a long time now, I felt like I learned so much more. We've got a Best Barber in the World episode coming out soon featuring Andrew, so make sure that you stay tuned for that. And also, I've got his website and Instagram linked down below if you want to look him up some more. I came in today with hair below my lips, and Andrew has taken about 2 inches off the fringe area and more towards the back. He has this special technique that's kind of hard to explain. He basically watches how the hair wants to lay naturally and adjusts how much he chooses to cut off and the direction that he cuts in order to make sure that the hair will lay in its most natural state when dried down. Now the cut isn't finished yet, but Andrew is going to continue on dry hair. The blow dry technique that he used is what blew me away the most. He's using a technique called flat wrapping the hair, and to break this down as simply as possible, Andrew is blow drying my hair in the same direction for about 30 to 45 seconds, really making sure to take out as many waves and wrinkles as possible. Then he completely changes the direction and blow dries again for another 30 to 45 seconds. He continues this process, changing the direction and applying heat over and over until the hair simply gives way and does whatever you want it to do. My hair actually legit felt like a different texture. I'd never felt it that way, and it was pretty crazy. I'm probably going to show you guys this technique on myself, like doing it myself in a separate video, because I think it's definitely worth knowing about. At this point, it's time for the side. If you're good with scissors, they always provide a bit more of a natural look than clippers do. We'll get to the clippers as well, but Andrew's doing the majority of the fading with scissors. As for the texture, Andrew is cutting lines into just the tips of my hair. He made it clear that cutting too far down can actually make it harder for your hair to stay volumized. By cutting the lines like he's doing here, it's going to provide texture and also allow the hair follicles to support each other, creating lift. So I came in with Cloud Control and Original already in my hair, so there wasn't any need to add any more pre-styler. The Cloud Control hair oil, by the way, is officially released, and I'll have that linked down below. If you guys are looking for softer, more healthy hair, I promise that you won't be disappointed. And with just a little bit of Monarch added, the cut and style is finished.